welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fanny's. If you're new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like this video if you will. Share and comment. Don't share this video if you like it, okay? So today I was going to organize my fridge and I thought, why not? I should like engage with you and do something that I will put outside. This is my naughty boy. So I want to clean. I've already cleaned it like some days back, but I think I will just like pass through with a kitambaa with jig. Here it is, kitambaa na jig. And then so that tunaweza panga hapo kila kitu. Maziwa, I bought some maziwa today and some juice for my baby to go with it to carry to school. So yeah, wacha nipange alafu tutaonana, okay? Wiping like everything and putting in the fridge so that tusicontaminate vitu huko. So these are milks. Unajua maziwa imekosa Kenya kabisa, kama kwenye kuna milk mseme. So today I went to the supermarket and I found milks na sikuwa na pesa, so I just bought 4 of them. So yeah. I bought it yesterday. He has already taken it. So kwa sababu iko nusu. This is blended juice. We blended it yesterday. I'm going to take it with my dinner today because it is something delicious. We have water. Some things I just removed from the fridge just to do the organization video. So don't worry. So this is water. We have juice. These I bought today. So guys, let's enjoy the music because my son's noise was so irritating. It was so extreme and so extra. So yeah, those are my leftover meats. I have some energy drinks there, Shark. That is tomato paste and some chocolates for me and my beau and my baby. Yeah. I'm not sure if it will make the gas that is from the pot. So the guy is a hack. You put lemons in your freezer, in your refrigerator, so that it doesn't so that it doesn't smell bad. Okay? So I always put it here, and my chocolate I put it here. So we have some sausages in our fridge. Our fridge doesn't have anything because guys, we've been having issues with the electricity like for a month. So I'm gonna make a freezer. I have some veggies because we know that I can't risk putting them in the freezer because that is the bigger. So yeah, I think this is jam. As you can see. So guys, that is it. That is my fridge. Normally it is always like that. Sometimes it is empty and switched off. So yeah, but sometimes it is full to the peak. So thank you so much for, I know you have learned one or two things, and please follow me on Instagram at Fanny's Wamalwa. So let's cook dinner. Please, if you're new here, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video if you will, and comment down below, guys. I miss chatting with you a lot. So today I'm going to be cooking mashed potato. As you can see, my potatoes, they are boiling. We're going to be making this for dinner with some minced beef. And yes, we started cooking. I'm sorry, my camera already was not filming me while I was doing the intro, but zinashamuka, so you're just waiting for some time. It cooks and then we're going to mash it, okay? Yes. So our potatoes are all ready. So what we're going to do is added some little water to soften the mini potatoes. They were so zilikuwa ngumu, so I had to put some water. You can do so, people put their milk, but I prefer water because I'm not a fan of fresh milk and cold cooked milk. So let's make the stew. Minced beef. These are the fats that I'm going to be using, the ingredients that I'm going to be using: tomato, onions, garlic, and a Royco cube. I also have some cooking oil there. I'm sorry, my camera was dying off, like it was going flat. So after I put these onions and garlic, I put some cooking oil and then tomatoes, and then I put some Royco and Royco cubes. I did that when off the camera because the camera was off. It needed to be charged and we needed to eat, so we couldn't wait like for us to charge the phone to film tena because my son was sleeping. So I'm sorry for that, lakini you're going to see the end. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Hope you're taking care. Bye.